Meaning of inarticulately.
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 Inarticulately. The term inarticulately refers to the inability to express oneself clearly or effectively. When a person communicates inarticulately, their speech may be unclear, disorganized, or difficult to understand. This can lead to confusion or misunderstandings in conversations and can hinder effective communication. Inarticulate communication can also make it challenging for individuals to convey their thoughts and ideas accurately, leading to frustration and a lack of progress. Ultimately, the use of inarticulate language can be an obstacle to effective communication and prevent individuals from achieving their goals.